Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to analyze the upcoming IPO of Rajputana Stainless Limited, a company operating in stainless steel manufacturing industry. In this video, we will analyze the company's business model, financial performance, company valuation, strength, risk, and finally see whether IPO looks attractive to investors. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for market updates and IPO analysis. So let's get into it. Rajputana Stainless Limited, a company operating in stainless steel manufacturing industries. The company was incorporated in 1991. The company's major manufacturing facilities is located in Kalol, Gujarat, and it is planning further expansion to its production capacity. It is also supplies the products to the many states, and also it exports to some other countries like USA, UAE and Turkey. The main products of Rajputana Stainless Limited are stainless steel billets, round bar, bright bar, hex bars, handles, flat bar, wire rods, bright whites. The main promoters of these companies are Shankarlal Deepchand Mehta, Babulal D. Mehta, Jayesh Natwarlal Pitwa, Yashkumar Shankarlal Mehta. The total promoters shareholding before IPO is about 78%, and the promoters holdings of these companies are: before the IPO, promoters held 78.22% of the company, and after the IPO their shareholding will reduce to around 57.01%, showing equity dilution but still majority control by the shareholders. Let us analyze the financial performance of Rajputana Stainless Limited. So revenue from operation is steadily growth from financial year 2023 to financial year 2025, and EBITDA is also increased from 2023 to 2025. PAT PAT is also increased year after year. So from financial year 2023, it was 24.08 and it is increased over 39.85 in 2025. And the total assets is also increased year after year. Net worth is also increased year after year. And the reserves and surplus is also increased. So it indicates increase as the retained earnings of the business. And the total borrowings is also increases. So what it indicates? It indicating the strengthening of the financial positions of the Rajputana Stainless Limited. Let us analyze the financial ratios of Rajputana Stainless Limited. ROE declines slightly from 34% but still indicates a strong profitability. And ROCE remains above 30% in financial year 2025, showing efficient capital utilization. And EPS increased from 3.49 rupees to 5 rupees 78 rupees in financial year 2025. What it indicates? It's showing profit growth year after year. Then the debt equity ratio, it is improved from 0.898 to 0.48, meaning the company is reducing leverage. And what is the book value? Book value is per share is rupees 22, that is before IPO valuation. Rajputana Stainless shows a profitability with ROE and ROCE above 30% in financial year 2025, while debt also improved, indicating the strengthening balance sheet. Let's compare the Rajputana Stainless Limited with the other peer companies. Let's analyze one by one. P ratio. P ratio around 20.9 times, which is cheaper than some peers. and the PB ratio around 5.5 times higher than other peers, which means the IPO is asking premium valuation. Then the debt equity ratio is moderate, and after Mukund Limited, it is cheaper. And ROE is 26%, which is higher than most peers, showing strong profitability. So this is the IPO parameter. Total issue size is 255 crores, and fresh issue out of 255 crores, so the fresh issue is 178.73 crores. Offer for sale is 76.25 crores. Price band 116 to 122 per share. Face value rupees 10 per share. One lot 110 shares, and minimum investment for one lot is 13,420 rupees. That is upper price band. The categories of investment that they are allocated are: qualified institutional buyers is 50%, non-institutional investors are 15%, and retail individual investors are 35%. So this is the events of IPO. IPO opening date is on March 2026, and closing date 11th March 2026. So allotment date is on 12th March 2026, and refund initiation 13th March 2026. Shares credited to demat 13th March 2026. IPO listing date is on 16th March 2026. And what is the use of IPO funds? What they are going to use the IPO's funds? The company plans to use of IPO funds mainly for setting up a new manufacturing facilities, meeting working capital requirement for general corporate purpose to support future growth. The current grey market premium for Rajputana Stainless Limited IPO is around 0 rupees, which indicates a neutral market sentiment. Expected listing near the issue price rupees 122. So overall, Rajputana Stainless shows good profitability and improving financial strength. However, the IPO is coming at a slightly premium valuation, and GMP is neutral, which indicates limited listing gains. So, according to my opinion, investors should consider only the long-term perspectives rather than expecting quick listing gains. Remember, this analysis is only for education purpose. Please do your own research or consult your financial advisor before investing in any IPOs. What's your opinion about Rajputana Stainless IPO? Comment under the comment section, and subscribe the channel for more IPO details and stock market updates. Thank you.